Hello everybody! Today we are here to introduce to you our latest addition to the FUTTEC product family. Our 10-meter trailer specifically designed for markets where pickup truck transportation is the preferred way to move your equipment from job site to job site. We have taken our proven microwave road repair technology and integrated it into the package that's suitable for your market. The trailer is equipped with a generator that will be suitable for your market. The specifically designed compartment eliminates any noise, so the trailer is also suitable for night work in the cities. The generator is supplied by the diesel from a diesel tank which contains 100 liters of diesel, easily covering full shift of work. To make sure easy access to the service points, we created a back door of the generator to access the cooling package. The large side door enables us to load the fresh material every morning for our customers, and in the evening the used up material from the road is offloaded again to take it out back to the asphalt making plant. The hot mix of material is delivered to our warehouse where it's cooled down and then delivered directly to the job site where it's heated up in the microwave oven to the working temperature to be used in a repair process. All the generator controls are incorporated inside of the trailer, easily accessible by the crew. The two furnaces are working simultaneously, each heating up 25 kilos of material. So in 9 minutes, you have 50 kilos of hot asphalt available for your road repair. The hot material waiting to be put in a pothole can be stored in a thermal box, which is also accessible from the outside of the trailer. To maximize the efficiency of the repair, we have a water tank with a hose to cool down the repair so it's drivable as soon as possible. We have a power supply to power the trolley, and then we have extra equipment in case the one on the trolley happens to break. And now you can see a hole that's been prepped up for the use of the microwave patcher. This is a typical hole suitable for our application. The trolley is used as extension cord, plus carries all the tools necessary for the hole cleanup. It's got a jackhammer, blower, and everything else needed. The most important piece of equipment is the patcher. This is the unit that sits on top of the pothole and heats up the surrounding asphalt to make sure the repair is done durably and seamlessly. Based on our customer feedback, we also optimized our compaction plate to work seamlessly with the small-scale repairs. Majority of our repairs are done within 1 hour or less. A lot of them are also executed overnight. Our microwave road repair technology is ready to support you to repair your asphalt surfaces seamlessly. So let's patch and forget.